Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be telling you guys about some food pantry / food giveaways and some turkey giveaways just in case you guys need them or you guys know somebody that needs this. With that being said, let's get started. The purpose of this video is to let you guys know of locations that are giving food away, so food pantries. If you guys are in need of food, don't be embarrassed to ask for it. Go to your local charities, go to Salvation Armies. Many of them have food pantries or are willing to help you. Do not be embarrassed or ashamed that you need food, especially for you or for your family or for somebody else who needs it. Never go to bed hungry. I'm going to try and link everything and all the information I found in my little research for you guys down in the description box. And if you guys know of more places, please leave them down below in the comment section for others to see. And I will not be able to see the locations or who clicks on the links or whatnot. This is totally anonymous. Just trying to help whoever is in need or whoever knows somebody who is in need. Again, don't ever be embarrassed for asking for help, especially when it comes to food. Now, I'm going to go ahead and read some locations that I found that are going to do some turkey giveaways or some food giveaways. I'm going to read off some of the information I found, and of course, again, I'm going to link it down below in the description box. How I found all these places is by literally going into Google. So if I didn't put your location, I'm sorry, I just can't do all the locations in the world. But what you can do is go into Google, and then once you're in Google, go to the search bar and then type in whatever you're looking for. So you can put Los Angeles Food Bank, Los Angeles Food Pantry, Los Angeles Food Giveaway, Los Angeles Holiday Giveaway, and a lot of results pop up, and then you can just scroll through each one of them and see which one is closer to you or which one you can attend to. I'm going to start off with Los Angeles. So Los Angeles, I found lafoodbank.org, worldharvestfoodbank.org, and jfsla.org. And those are food banks and food pantries, and they have a lot of information. If you guys click on there, go to their website. They have even volunteer if you guys want to volunteer. They have, of course, the food distribution, the food pantry hours or whatnot in there. I also found that there's going to be a turkey giveaway at the South Bay Pavilion Mall November 19 from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. It says 200700 Avalon Boulevard, Carson, California 90746. I found this turkey giveaway at eventbrite.com. So you go into eventbrite.com and then you search for events in your area. You could put turkey giveaway Los Angeles, turkey giveaway whatever your location is, and it will show you what events are near you, and it'll tell you if it's free and where to go, or if you have to register, when you have to register before you even go to the event. Oxnard is next. So in Oxnard, I found oxnardpow.org. So Oxnard Pow is doing a turkey giveaway, but I can't find if they are closed for pre-registration or if you guys are available just to go. You guys can always contact them. I'm going to link that in the description box as well. They also do have a Santa's workshop, which is games, crafts, everything, and gifts. So they do state that they have 500 turkeys and 1,500 toys for the holiday season. So go ahead and contact them and see what they're able to tell you. Then we also have projectunderstanding.org, and it's a food pantry. This food pantry states that they provide weekly groceries to individuals / families whose budget cannot support the purchase of groceries, who are struggling with the decision of paying rent or putting groceries on the table. End quote. It states the hours there on the website, and then it also states program requirements. It's a picture ID for them. So that's for projectunderstanding.org. We also have 211ventura.org, and in 211 it just tells you the food pantries. You literally just type in food pantry, your state, your county, your city, and this can be used for anywhere that you want to search. So Los Angeles, New York, San Francisco, anywhere you want to search for it, go into 211. So this one, of course, 211 Ventura, it shows you anything near Ventura County. That includes Oxnard, Ventura, Santa Paula, anything near there. Now we have Ventura. Ventura, I found foodshare.com, projectunderstanding.org, and 211ventura.org. So you can click on those and it'll also tell you their hours, what you need. And also for the 211 Ventura, it tells you like what you're looking for. So you can type food pantries in the search for resources, You put your state, your county, your city, your zip code, and it tells you things around your area. 211, if you guys go to Google and Google 211 and your area where you live, you can click on that and then it tells you like a list of resources that you might need. Sacramento, I found sacramentofoodbank.org and rivercityfoodbank.org. Fresno, I found ccfoodbank.org, lifecathedralchurch.org, 211maderacounty.org, and those are for your basic needs, so for food, so anything food bank, food pantries. I did find that Fresno does have a turkey giveaway, and you can go into ccdof.org and it should tell you everything about that turkey giveaway. Utah, for Utah, I found utahfoodbank.org and stmarksutah.org. So those are food pantries and food banks. New York, for New York, I found nycommonpantry.org. So that's a food pantry. I also found foodbanknyc.org. And then I found turkey giveaway. So a page that's really cool. They show locations for turkey giveaways. And that is mommypoppins.com. And it shows you like the areas in New York that are giving free turkeys. Texas, I found ntfb.org. Then I also found nbcgarland.org and also centraltexasfoodbank.org. So those are food pantries, food banks, churches, organizations. And then for turkey, for a free turkey giveaway, I found thomasjhenrylaw.com, and it tells you like community giveaways for the turkey. So you guys can click on there and search if there's anything near your area. This brings us to the end of the video. I really hope this helps you guys or somebody you guys know. Spread the word. Like I said, I wanted to do this because the holidays are coming. Many people are struggling, and I really think that you should never be embarrassed, like I said. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.